Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back working on our car here. We did get a transmission. We ended up getting a 4L60 from Holley B&M. To make that thing work in this car, we want to make it look original. If you look in, there isn't a shifter in there right now. But if you come over here, a beautiful company called Shiftworks provided us with a shifter, linkage, the lens with the overdrive, everything really to make that car look original, but work with that updated transmission. Shiftworks has 67 style shifters, which is going to be going in our car. They offer 68, 69 for the Chevelle A-body as well. These shifters are made to work with any kind of overdrive, 700R4, the 4L60 series. They really come ready to go out of the box. It's a fantastic product. But the one we're using literally is a T-handle. It's dead on the original 67 shifter. It's not going to go behind a Power Glide or a Turbo 350. We're going to put it behind an overdrive. So they even give you a lens here with the right shift pattern on there, so you know what gear you're in. There's no hesitation. There's a new slider. There's all the linkage to hook it up to that transmission, and even a boot. If you already have one of these that is set up for a Power Glide or just a turbo, you can buy one of our kits here to convert your original shifter over to accept the overdrive. They all come with their lens there as well to show you the overdrive pattern. We got them for the 700R4, the 4L60. We got them basically for all different overdrive transmissions. They also make a USA made shift cable, which we use these in almost every car we've built lately. They don't bind, they're kink free. They are absolutely beautiful, work great. Great products by Shiftworks. You can find all these products on CamaroCentral.com, FirebirdCentral.com, and MuscleCarCentral.com. Remember to hit that like,